137 servings. 4,795 calories. Perfect for food storage, emergencies, survival, camping, and everyday use. Certified gluten-free. Up to a 25-year shelf life. Top reviews from the United States. Convenient for everyday cooking. I originally purchased the tomato powder for my long-term food storage. I decided to open it while we were quarantined so that I wouldn't have to go out to buy tomato sauce. I found out that it's really good tasting and very versatile. You can use it to make tomato sauce, pasta sauce, ketchup, or just use a little here and there to enhance the flavor or a recipe. Because I only use the amount I need at the time, there is little or no waste. Over the years, I've chucked a lot of partial cans of tomato sauce, and the remaining ketchup that was too hard to get out of the bottle. I've also thrown out a lot of wet canned tomato products which leaked out of their cans after being stored for a long time. Tomato powder will keep for many years unopened, and is still shelf-stable for a long time after opening. Best of all, it's super convenient and economical to use in regular everyday cooking.